Hello all and welcome to your week 7 of the semester. Week 7 of semester 1, halfway there, and the third assignment is due this week. Well, many of you have emailed us in the last 3 or 4 days, getting on top of things and a little bit confused about this assignment. So we thought we'd give you one more presentation explaining it all. Right, managing people in practice is 2 assignments, as you know. One is for HEAT and HRM, which is the first assessment or the phased assessment. The second one is your placement evidence portfolio. So you have one assignment for the theory part, semester 1, and then another assignment during your placement or work experience. As you know, assignment 1 is a phased assessment spread over a number of weeks. We started in week 4 and we're now in week 7, halfway down to week 14. So what is a phased assessment? Well, as the word says, it's an assessment that is spread over different phases or stages. So you ask, why are we doing a phased assessment? Well, this is to give you formative feedback on the way, and you can use this formative feedback to improve your final assessment, and this will help you get a higher grade. So on your way, you will get a 2-1 by using all this formative feedback. And why else? Also, as part of your module, you need to develop employability skills. Have a look at the learning outcomes for this module. What are employability skills and how can we achieve them through a phased assessment? Well, by giving and receiving different types of feedback will help you reflect on your performance and behavior and improve this if needed. When you go out to work, or as some of you might already know if you are working, you might receive different types of feedback, sometimes in the form of appraisals and quite detailed, sometimes a comment card from a customer, and sometimes at the end of the shift a well done, and sometimes a quick, can you improve this please? Well, one thing we all must learn is how we handle the feedback, reflect on it and then improve it. And some of you asked, what about this reflective note in week 14? Well, this assignment aims to provide you not only with the learning theory, but also developing key employability skills for your work. One of them being the above, so the reflective note. In week 14, your final presentation will be the result of how you've dealt with the feedback you received. Your reflective note in week 14 will be a reflection of what you've learned from the module. Not just the theory, as we will see this in your presentation, but about working in groups, presenting, using technology, primary research, etc. And you asked, what about this video in week 14? Well, the fact that we ask you to video yourself will again result in feedback and critical reflection from yourself and your peers, if you allow them to watch, and help you achieve an even higher standard. An additional benefit from this assignment and all the feedback you will receive on it is of course that you can aim for an extra high mark. So, what is my marking criteria? Well, you are being marked on your final work as per page 13 in your module study guide. The content and quality of your slides will demonstrate your knowledge and understanding, application in context, analysis and evaluation of human resource management on your case study. Your presentation and communication will be evident in the way you present and the way you format your slides. Your demonstration of analysis and evaluation of your own learning will be evident in your final reflective note. So, some of you asked me, if I'm being really cheeky, I could just do the final presentation? Well, yes is the answer. But, I ask you, would you learn as much? Would your work be of the standard it could be? Would you have learned how to receive and deal with feedback as effectively? If you need, you can also access the HEAT case study on your phone by going to the website heatandhrm.com. Good luck!